Okay, so for the hardware, this is really the next generation Pre. So it's the Pre 2. What we've done is we've doubled processor speed, so it's a 1 gigahertz processor. We've gone through on it, we've went up from a 3 megapixel to a 5 megapixel camera. But one of the key things we did when we went up the camera was we kept that 1 second click to capture. So really wanting to get the lifetime images very quickly, not waiting for things. We do all the processing in the background.
Fixed focus, or is it
It's a fixed focus, but we use the EDOF, or extended depth of field processing on it for white balance, for getting the focus correct. The other key thing, and I'll see if you can get it on the video, we changed from a laminated plastic on the front to a Gorilla Glass. The goal of it being you have a richer feel to the colors coming out of it. It also tracks better as you're using the touchpad, and it is much more, it's very, very durable. So this it takes keys if you're going against it. It's definitely a great product to put into this. In terms of other things, we've done a lot of things mechanically under the scenes just to make it a better build quality, and we've done some tactical changes on the keyboard to make them feel a little better as you're tapping on the keys. Really, the big thing we had, and really what we want to enable with this product, is the webOS 2.0 that we're running on. So with webOS 2.0, I mean, in the past, we've had our multitasking where you see everything you're doing, but as you notice I'm clicking through, you're seeing the card span open. This is a concept we call stacks. So if I'm using a like application or like cards, I can bring them together in one place so that I can go from an open table to a web browser to get the menu for the thing to wherever I need to go in the Google Map to see it, and have it all come back and be grouped together in one place so that if I get interrupted and want to take a phone call, I then come back and it's all where I was. We also went through and took the universal search that we like, that you just open the keyboard and start typing, and really extended it. So if I'm here, and I'll just go, let's see, drop off works. As I start typing here, we keep everything we had before. I'll go through, I've got my Google, so if I want to do a Google search, but we added suggest. So in addition to it, we'll actually very quickly get anything they think that Google will come up with that they might want to acquire or make your search easier. Okay. We also can search your address book if you're into Exchange. We let you have different search engines, so whether it's Google Maps, Wikipedia, Twitter. But this is also hooked up, so we hooked into a technology called Open Search, so that if you have, say, Time.com does it, a lot of websites have Open Search as their mechanism to search their site. We'll pick up on that and actually get added into this list automatically, so that you don't have to configure anything. We'll just pick it up and you can add it in to make
push that through an update.
No, so what happens, and actually I hit it earlier, see there's a notification on the bottom of the screen. In this case it says that if I want to add the search engine, I can actually just click on it and I can add him in as one of my search options. Okay. We also had something on here on the bottom of it that we call quick actions. So if I don't want to search, but I'm really trying to either take a phone number to make a contact, if I want to send an email, if I want to update my Facebook status, from based on where I'm typing, I can just hit one of these. In this case, I'll go through and make a new memo. And this will just go to the memo app, create a new memo, add the text in, so that I can, again, if it's a phone number, if it's an email, I can just start typing and then decide what I want to do with it after the fact. Make it much easier for you to very quickly take information in and then decide what you want to do with it. Okay.